Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading here with another trade lesson video for everybody looking at a 15-minute chart of ENPH, In-Phase Energy Incorporated Technology sector. Let's get right into it. So we had this thing on our weekly to the upside, which we ended up taking beginning of the week's session, and obviously heading into earnings, and then it just obviously fell off a cliff, as you can see from obviously the report. So that thing obviously took a pretty deep bath on Wednesday session, and then it pretty much set up just a clean continuation for Thursday session. And it's one of these things like, low hanging fruit, right? Yesterday's in-play securities could easily become today's layup, whether it's to the downside or to the upside. This is obviously to the downside. Continue to stock your stock, guys. Let the boys tell you what's going on. Let them do all the hard work, and then hop on board and take the meat of the move. Obviously, the first session on Wednesday, when this thing gapped down, was a pretty significant dump of shares into the market. Thursday session, obviously they brought it back up on Wednesday session to into the close, very typical. And then what they do, they flushed it down to a zone. So when we talk about continuations, let the boys show you what they're doing, right? Continue to stock that stock. If they're not done yet, you're going to see it, and you're going to know right away with a continuation whether you're right or wrong. So put probabilities far on your side, stock the stock, see what's moving, and then keep it on watch for day two. It's a little bit of a nugget for you guys. So let's get into how we ended up trading this thing. This was obviously on our trade ideas going into yesterday's pre-market session. Hopefully you guys caught that with us. Let's talk about levels, why we got into it, where we got into it, and our targets and why our targets were reached. We're actually, I think we're like 6 cents, 7 cents away from our target. So it was a very, very solid trade. Nice risk reward, guys. Because one of these continuations, you really know if you're wrong pretty quickly. So the risk reward is just significant in your favor. Anyway, let's talk details. Let's get down to business, guys.